All right, guys, I'm going to show you how you can get paid every month by cloning a $3 billion AI Google Reviews company. And the best news, you can start this for $0. Check it out. So you see this company Podium here, right? Valued at $3 billion in 2021. As of 2023, they're almost $400 million in revenue. Why? Why are they making so much money? Why is their service so valuable? Because they help businesses rank in what's called the Google Maps pack, okay? This is what Google calls the top 3 search results that show up when you search for something on Google Maps. Right here you can see an example, the top 3. Basically, if your business is showing up below this or even worse on page 2, you're just not going to get clicks. So it's extremely, extremely valuable for your business to show up when people are searching for you in the Maps pack. So that raises the obvious question, how do we show up in the Google Maps pack, right? Well, Google's algorithm is very complex, but Google does publish documentation to show you what best practices you can do to show up. And right here we can see asking for reviews, amplified SEO, search engine optimization. New Google reviews can improve your search performance, helping you drive traffic and acquire more customers. So businesses pay lots of money to get more customers, hence why Podium has that valuation. In fact, Podium charges, depending on the level of the plan, anywhere from $249 to $600 a month with a 12-month agreement for each business that signs up. I'm going to show you in just a minute exactly how to clone all this. So here's their landing page, get more reviews in less time, and they show their system, how you can get all this stuff set up. This is all very nice, except we live in America, and in America, there's competition. Here's a software that I use, which costs me nothing every month to sell this service. All you got to do is come down here to integrations, connect to your Google business profile. Side note, I have an entire Skool community that's free. Link in the description, 10 lessons on all this. Check it out if you want. Go back to here, come down to reputation, make the screen a little bit bigger so we can see. And once you're connected to your Google account or your client's Google account, you can create as many accounts as you want for free. You literally just hit auto response, set your wait time so that way it doesn't seem like it's, automated, maybe wait like an hour after they complete the transaction. You can create your agents right here. I already have 2 agents in here. I'll just show you real quick how that looks. So here you have your agent instructions. You can choose your review source, whether you want to reply automatically to all reviews, 5 stars, 4 stars. And here you can generate one of the AI responses. Now these responses are in context to whatever the review was posted. And that's a key metric for Google because they look to see if the business owner is responding to the reviews, and that shows positive activity. And it shows people that the business owner cares about the customer experience because if they're replying to reviews, obviously that's a good signal to the consumers as well. Thank you for your feedback, Sarah. We take concerns about staff interaction seriously, and we'll address this to ensure a more positive experience in the future. Please feel free to reach out to discuss further, right? So it's addressing, a negative review in this case. And again, you can choose the tone, you can play around with these, and you create a whole bunch of agents. But that's pretty much it for setting up the agent. And then you can send out the requests automatically via text message. Right here, you can create a new text message request. You can use a template. You can start from scratch. You can do email here, set up an email template. It's like literally just plug and play all this. You can even come down to the spam review section and turn on automatically detects whether incoming reviews are spam or not. Talk about tremendous, tremendous value for business owners. Now, guys, in the Skool community, we go through everything you need on how to get clients, land clients, what to say, how to get them set up in here. This is literally by far like the easiest way to get started offering AI as a service that any business owner can understand. You literally, it's like, hey, do you want more 5-star rating? Like, who's going to say no to that, right? It's pretty much a no-brainer offer. Links in the description. Everything's free. AI software, free trial as well is in there so you can get started. 30-day extended free trial for that. I'll see you on the next one.